What's the meaning of B? B. B.
B. B. The letter B is the second letter in the modern English alphabet and represents a voiced bilabial plosive sound. It is used in various contexts, such as in writing, coding, and mathematics. In music, B is also a musical note, and in genetics, it represents one of the 4 nucleotide bases that make up DNA. Additionally, B is a common abbreviation for billion, and in the finance world, it often refers to bonds or credit ratings. Overall, the meaning of B varies depending on the specific context in which it is used.